Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can remove Yahoo from the Chrome search. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Now click Google Chrome under the best match, maximize it. Now if I search for what you will find here at the top of my search is google.com because I have just removed the Yahoo from my Chrome search. So how did I perform that? Now click on the three dots at the top right corner to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find search engine. Click on that. Here you need to simply change this. If this is Yahoo in your case, simply click on change, and then here you can find Google. So if that is Yahoo in your case, like that, click on the change button and set that to Google. And click on set as default. Manage search engines and site search, click on that. And here you will find that Google is the default. Okay, now once done, click on Start App in the list of options on the left pane. Click on Open a specific page or set of pages. Then here, we need to delete this. And click on Add a new page. And simply type www.google.com. Click Add. Now once added, let's open a new tab. And whenever you search for an info, what you can find in the search is now google.com and not yahoo.com. So that's it. That's how you can get rid of Yahoo in your Chrome search bar. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.